After years of researching, we finally found the method to create your dream slime.
One without glue, borax, contact lens solution. All of the things you guys didn't have back in 2016.
Today, we're gonna make your dreams come true. First, we're gonna pop this in the microwave for 1 minute. Look at that, so heated up.
Once that's done, leave it in the freezer for 48 hours.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's been 48 hours. You know what that means?
We can check on our slime.
Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so we're sorry to break it to you guys, but making slime without glue just isn't possible.
So now we're gonna show you how we actually made this.
Welcome to the ASMR portion of the video. We've made our slime. Do you want to combine it? Sure. Okay. That's gonna be good. Let's make a swirl. Okay, that will conclude our ASMR portion. Thank you for watching. Thanks guys for watching our video. Comment below what you want to see in our next one for a chance to enter in a giveaway for a meet and greet with us.
Subscribe.
Like, smash that notification bell. Slime says bye.